How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. This is a self-inflating air mattress. All you have to do is plug it in and turn it on. It comes in different sizes up to a queen size bed. This is the newer one with 4 internal compartments and a single motor instead of a dual. It also does not have a manual deflation port. It doesn't need one. Let me go back and unbox this. Instruction manual, 2 repair patches, and an instruction card. The pump and deflator is all located inside the mattress. Twist to inflate. When you're done, twist it to the off position. If you want to deflate it, twist it to the deflate position. The electrical cord is in here. It's just a storage for the cord, and you can close it back up through this hole. This says it's 1.1 amps, which means it's around 130 watts. Doing a short trial run, 147 watts. First, unfold everything. Pretty easy here. Unfold the left and right sides. Only 2 minutes and 53 seconds. It's stronger than I expected. The underside feels like vinyl. The shape of it is exactly the same as the top. I flipped it to the other side. Actually, there's no I Do logo. Not to be used as a flotation device. Not a toy. Do not overinflate. There's some warnings on the right side. Keep away from flames. Keep away from sharp objects so you don't poke it. It's essentially a big balloon. Do not stand, walk, or jump on it. There's suffocation risk because it is a big balloon. Now let's see how long it takes to deflate. 3 minutes, 21 seconds. Let's fold it back in. If you fold it right, it just goes right into the bag. And you can cinch it so dust doesn't get in. The top is a flocked material. It feels soft to the touch. There are all these divots in here, 40 of them total. They call them air springs. In this updated mattress, instead of having one giant balloon that might sink towards the middle, it has 4 internal compartments to help with support. And I particularly like some of these little divots. You can put your hip in it and it helps with giving you a better contour of your body. I definitely feel well supported towards my hips, my shoulders. Because it is essentially a balloon, it tends to have less firmness towards the corners. So this little lip here goes up by about 1.5 inches or so. It compensates for it being an air mattress and makes it so that you won't roll off the bed. It makes it feel like your entire air mattress is completely flat, even towards the edge. You're not supposed to use these things permanently because it's not gonna last forever. After all, it's just a really thick, giant balloon. It's rated to last about 2 months on continuous use, but if you just bring it out every time there's a guest over, it's gonna last many years. If you guys are interested in getting one of these, check out my affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.